I think it's like a truck parade. It's like a semi-truck parade. There's tons of them. Look, all the trucks. They're honking. I think we waved to them. That's why we waved to them. Let me put this on park. Seems like a truck parade. We're kind of stuck behind the truck parade. It'll eventually end. There's like tons of trucks. I know. Let's wave to them. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of pretty cool. Let's go. I'm gonna wave to them. Let's go and wave to them. Let's go and wave to everybody. Let's wave. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. Let's go and wave to them. I know. We're stuck behind the parade, so might as well wave to everybody. Let's wave to them. Let's go and wave. Where's the kid? Let's go and wave to them. Let's go and wave to them. Oh, there you go. You get to go. And then there's... I think there's a few more. Let's go and wave to them. Oh, this one's cool. And let's roll tires. This is like a long parade. Let's go. We're stuck on it. You see it? To go wave to them. Yay! Go and wave to the trucks. This is like pretty cool. Let's go and wave to them. Hey. Fox Creek Love. Now that is pretty cool. Oh look, there's a kid. Hi kid. Hi. Oh, there's a little kid. Yay. We're gonna be stuck here for like the last half hour. We got a home from him. Yeah. We got that one. That one's for... How many more do we have? We're like stuck in a parade. This is pretty cool. In some way, it is kind of cool. Wave to them. Yay. I wonder how long this thing is. We have to explain to the cake lady we're late because we got stuck behind a parade. They're all in Colville. They're all loggers. They're truckers. Now this one is really cool. The next one coming, it's like a really pretty green one. TNC trucking. I guess we're like stuck behind it. Oh, we got a honk from him. Oh, this one's a pretty cool one. Hey. Oh, there's already like the cop at the end, so there's like a few more left. This one's a really pretty one. Hey, good job. They're all like loggers and stuff. That's pretty cool. This one, hey, we got a honk from that one. We'll put this on YouTube. And there's the Lishwa people. There's the Lishwa people. Okay, we're trucks, so we kind of like. There's a few more. Yep, and then we can go. We can go and follow them. That must be it. I think the cop is like the very end, so we're pretty cool. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. I don't know what that is. I guess we're a truck too, so I got stuck behind him. It's okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, I guess we're like good to follow after the cop. Okay, let's go and let them pass. Let the traffic pass. There you go, and then that's the cop at the very end of the parade. So that's pretty cool. I mean, we're also a truck, so I guess we can follow them, but we're a Tundra. All right, end of the parade.